Hey everyone, I'm Brielle. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. If you love hosting parties or savoring a perfectly chilled glass of wine, you're going to want to hear about this. Today we're diving into the Carlefort 30-inch wine and beverage refrigerator, a dual zone cooler that's all about keeping your drinks at the perfect temp. Stick around to see if it's the right fit for your home and check the link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's get into the features. This Carlefort fridge holds 33 bottles of wine and 80 cans, with two separate zones you can set between 36 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for reds, whites, or sodas. It has adjustable sapele wood shelves for wine and metal shelves for cans, which are sturdy and flexible for different bottle sizes. The dual-layer tempered glass doors block UV rays to protect your wine's flavor, and the touch panel lets you fine-tune temps with 3 LED light options, white, blue, or amber, for a cool vibe. The compressor cools fast, and it's super quiet at 41 decibels, perfect for any kitchen or bar, whether built-in or freestanding. Now, the pros. This fridge is a hosting superstar, plenty of space for wine and drinks, and the dual zones keep everything at the right temp. Customers love its quiet operation, barely noticeable compared to standard fridges, and the sleek stainless steel design looks modern and upscale. The UV protection and low vibration compressor help preserve wine quality, and the 1-year warranty with a 3-year compressor guarantee adds confidence. It's also versatile, fitting large bottles like champagne with some shelf tweaking. But there are cons. Some users say larger bottles need careful arrangement, which can be a hassle. There were rare reports of shipping damage, like cracked glass, though the seller often resolves this quickly. The price is a bit high for casual users, and a few mentioned the touch panel can be finicky if not set up properly. Should you buy the Carlefort wine and beverage fridge? I say yes if you're a wine enthusiast, love entertaining, or need a reliable cooler for your home bar. It's perfect for keeping your drinks ready to serve, though casual sippers might find a smaller unit more budget-friendly. That's my take on the Carlefort 30-inch fridge. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. To grab this cooler at the best price, click the affiliate link in the description for special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.